This is the Maxxfan Deluxe. We went with the white model to match the current exterior of our box truck. So we're gonna open it, show you all the bits and pieces, and then we'll get started on the installation.
All right, let's open this sucker up.
Some cardboard here. This has the remote and the instructions and the hardware. There she is in all her glory. Looks like it comes in several different pieces, so we'll kind of pull it apart as we go. But so you've got the main fan comes with the screen, all the computer buttons and everything, the wiring. This is gonna be what we install on the inside. And I believe that you can kind of trim this to match whatever height, thickness your roof is and everything. And then this is what we install on the actual top.
Yeah, eventually fit in.
Yeah.
Like so. And then the fan itself will go into the into this piece up here.
Yeah.
Sitting flush on the top.